Hello watcher and subscribers. Now here in this tutorial we will see try and finally block in exceptional handling. So if you didn't see my previous tutorial, I just suggest you please go through my previous tutorial and see the exceptional handling, or yeah, you just refer the Python tutorial series, whichever the tutorial you didn't watch, that you can watch it. So now we are in the try and finally block. So first we will see the meaning. Python provide the optional finally statement which is used with the try statement. So finally block is optional in the exceptional handling and we use it along the try block. But it is good if you refer the finally block because it is always executed. So it is executed no matter what exception occur, means whether the exception occurring or not in your program, but finally is always executed. So finally block provide a guarantee of the execution, means finally block is always executed, means whether exception is occurring or not, that doesn't matter. So it provide a guaranteed execution in the program. Whatever you write inside the finally block, it always runs. Now we will see the syntax. First you have to use try block and after that you can refer the finally block. But it is good if you use the except block after the try. So what happen if the error happen in the try block, it is handled by the except block, but without except also you can use the finally block. So this is the diagram. First we have to use try block, it run the code, and if the error happen, exception happen there, it is handled by the except block, and else block it is executed if there is no exception, that we already seen, and finally block is always executed. Got it? So now here we will go in the practical session and there we will see how you can use try and finally block. So here now I am in the blank screen and straight away we will take a try block. That is the specialty of Python. Without formality you can directly put the code. So here in the try block I am writing z equals to 4 divided by 3. So it will return the integer value and then we will print the value of z in the program. And after this I am going to have except block. And it is followed by the error name, that is arithmetic error. So here our exception is arithmetic error and here I am taking the print statement and printing the message. So our message is divide by 0. So if the exception occur, then the except block will run and it will show the message divide by 0. And then I will take a finally block. We are taking the output statement and it is showing the message, it is always executed. So this is our code and just we go through with that. If the try block is running successfully, then except will not work and finally is executed. And if the error is there, then except and finally both will work. We will check the output. So you see 1 is the output and it is always executed because here it will return the integer value. But here if we keep a 0, then what happen? As we cannot divide the number by 0, so there is a error, so it is handled by except and it is showing this message and then finally is executed. We will check it. So you see the error is occurred and it is showing divide by 0 and the finally block is always executed. So we saw here in the both cases finally is executed, where the exception occur or not doesn't matter. And without except block also you can use finally. We will just check it out. So you see now also it will work. It is showing the output from finally block, but along with that error will also come. You see now the error is generated, trace back dividing by 0, but we are getting still output from the finally block. So now I just close this and if suppose the error is not there, then we will also see what will happen, whether it is executing or not in the program. So now you see it is showing it is always executed and it is showing the output. But dear student, it is always suggested you have to use except block if you are using a try block, and then you use a finally block in the program. So I hope dear student you understood the meaning of finally block. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.